Hello guys, it's the man here.
Welcome to the channel.
Right, so today is a bit of a special episode. Now this channel is a tech channel. I specialise in hi-fi, home cinema and stuff like that. But one big part of my life is music. And recently I've made the decision to do something, well, it's very unconventional, let's say, for someone who's a classically trained violinist and a classically trained pianist from a young age. Recently it occurred to me, life is too short and I've decided to embark on a new musical journey, and I bought myself this guitar. This is the Yamaha F310 and I've literally just taken delivery of it today. I'm an absolute beginner. I bought myself this book, Guitar Exercises for Beginners, and yeah, I've decided to start learning guitar now because it's something that has, it's a totally different world of music. For a start, the musical notation for guitar is nothing like it is for classical. Guitarists read tablature, which is the commonly accepted form of music notation. So I'm learning all that and I'm very excited. So today I'm going to show you the Yamaha F310 and then I'm going to play you my first piece that I've learned. I've just kind of been practicing it for the last half an hour or so. But yeah, so here is the guitar. I got it in, I believe it's the Tobacco Sunburst finish. I believe you can get it in a more classical finish, but I like this color. This is more me. And here is the neck and the back of the guitar. I don't know if guitars are like violins, but this is a one piece. In violins sometimes you get two piece. I believe maybe in guitars you can as well. I've heard that the neck and this bit here is apparently it's a little bit easier to play than a normal size guitar or something like that. It's a bit thinner or it's a bit shorter or something like that. I'm not sure how accurate that is, but I'm finding it quite difficult seeing as I'm a violinist and the fingerboard on a violin is about that big. So this is a completely new experience to me. There is the tuning area, the tuning pegs in the chrome finish. I got it for 110, 120 quid, something like that. And I'm very impressed with it. You could never get a violin, for that sort of money ever. If you did, it would be something really rubbish. This is, I find it okay. You've got these steel strings. Okay. It has been tuned. And I don't know if this is normal for guitar, but the first four strings are gold and the last two, being the E string, is a steel, steel color. So I don't know what the reason for that is. I'm a total noob at this. So you let me know in the comments below if you know the reason, or is it just a make of string or whatever. But yeah, here's the guitar. I don't really know what else to say about it. I mean, how easy was it to tune? Well, first of all, it's a lot easier than tuning a violin, I can tell you that. These pegs, very, very easy to, maneuver. They stay in place. I've had to retune it a couple times today. I don't know why that is. Maybe my ear's off, or maybe it's, I think, with new instruments, they tend to go out of tune for a while. But then they kind of settle. That's with violins anyway. Don't know about guitars, but that's my only reasoning for it. But it seems to be okay now. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and play it. You don't judge me. It's day one of guitar. So yeah, I've been working on this. Let's see if I don't even know how to hold the bloody thing. Let's see how well we perform. there we go. So that is the Yamaha F310. Just forgot to mention, I'm using my finger. I forgot to order a pick with it. So I've ordered that now. And yeah, here's the Yamaha F310. I'm quite happy with it. If anyone owns this, can you please put in the comments, like, is there anything wrong about this guitar that I should know? Because I don't really know much about guitars. But so far, it looks to be okay. It hasn't got any defects or anything like that. Anything I should consider about this guitar, please let me know. It will make a lot of difference, because I can send this back if it's no good. So please, yeah, please let me know. Otherwise, I think it's okay. Thanks for watching the video. And as always, smash like and smash subscribe.